Alright guys, today we are going to do the recoil on a ryobi 2900 psi pressure washer. Any of the parts that I'll use I'll put in the description below. Just click the link, it'll take you right to them. This is the first time I've done a recoil on one of these. I've done the carburetors, and I will be doing the carburetor on this one in the next video, but I haven't done the recoils on this. But I've seen we've got an on-off switch here, so you're going to want to be careful of those wires. This is just going to be a cover with a switch on it, and it looks like there's just 2 bolts holding it on. That means that this front is clipped in here. So we're going to take these 2 off. They're 10 millimeters, it looks like. Not coming up on clipping. You feel here there's a little divot. Yeah, hidden 10 millimeter down here. Get that guy out. So you see it's just held on like that. We're gonna go ahead and cut this rope like that. Flop this around, pull this straight up off. No big deal, it's out of the way. All right, now we're going to bend this flap here up, and we're going to pull all these ropes, all this rope out, old rope out. Just going to go ahead and get it all pulled out. So you're going to heat up the end of the rope with a lighter, and just to where it just starts to melt, and then pull it with your fingers. Just pull it like this, and it'll get it into a point. All right, so we're going to line up this hole right in here with this hole here. We're going to push the rope through both holes like this. We're going to tie a simple knot in it. Pull it into position. I'm going to pull a loop out of the rope. Get a bunch of slack going on here. And we're going to wrap it 4 times. We're going to hold this end here, and we're going to wrap this counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Pull it all through, and it'll bring itself right on in. Looks like we can get 1 more wrap, so we're going to do 1 more wrap. Out. Hold this here. 1 more wrap. 1 more wrap. That should be enough right there. We're going to leave some slack. Just cut this end with extra on it. We're going to heat this end up with a lighter. Go ahead and put this recoil back up where it belongs. Like that. We're going to set this rope through the hole. Then we're going to line this all up where it belongs. Get it set down on the studs. It's all on the studs. Now we got the rope right here where we can put the handle. Pull the old rope out of the handle, stick the new rope in the handle a little bit so it's got tension on it, and tie a knot in it. And you'll see that it's got plenty of space. Cut the extra off the line. Go ahead and put our 3 10 millimeters back in place. Again, I'll put this line, I'll find there's a Briggs and Stratton line that's super cheap that fits right in this. That has a handle and everything. It's a little kit. I'm going to put that in the description below. Just click on it, and it's everything you'll need to do this job. We're going to go ahead and tighten these up. Be an idiot. Have to take it all back out. Bend the flap down. I pulled it and went. Forgot to bend this flap back down. Bend that back down. And you just push a little sticker guy back down in place. And if you got to, you can put a little drop of super glue under it if you want to really keep your sticker. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. That's it, guys. I hope this helped you out. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if it did. I can get the whole recoil for this. This is like a copy of the Kohler recoil. So, The rope I'll put in the description. This looks more like a Subaru type engine too, but it's a Chinese engine, like a copy of a Subaru / Kohler, whatever. I'll put the rope in the description below. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. Send me some t-shirts and some cool stuff, and I'll be more than happy to have you as a sponsor. Peace.